Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export video in HD from Tempo app. Tempo is a powerful video editing app that helps you create stylish video with music, effects and smooth transition all in just few taps. Whether you're editing for any of your social, exporting your video in HD is super important for quality. So in this video I'll show you how to export video in HD from the Tempo app step by step. So first you need to open to this Tempo app on your phone, and on the home screen you can see all of the templates here. You can simply select any of the template as you like, or you can go to your profile icon in the bottom right over here, and you can also continue from the drafts and simply select any of the draft by simply tapping on one of the draft. Now you can apply your music, transition, effect, text or stickers as you like, and once your video looks perfect, and tap on the export in the top right, and here you can, and on the bottom there's a resolution. You can simply select 480p, 720p, 180p and 4K for the pro, and for the best result you need to select to the 4K. If you want a good result as well, you can select 180p, full HD, frame rate higher default. And after selecting that, and after selecting HD quality, wait a few minutes while the Tempo processes your video. Once done, the video will be saved directly to your gallery. And that is it. You have successfully exported your video in HD quality from the Tempo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy app tutorial. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.